In this quick guide, we'll walk you through how to install your stylish kitchen sink strainer step by step. Start by unboxing the components. You should have tailpipe, outer basket, strainer body, tailpipe gasket, rubber gasket, and foam gasket. From the top of the sink, insert the strainer body into the 3.5 inches drain hole. From underneath the sink, place the rubber gasket onto the outer basket to prevent leaks. While one person holds the strainer body in place from the top of the sink using a flathead screwdriver to prevent it from spinning, another person should screw the outer basket onto the strainer body from below by hand. This ensures a tight and secure fit. Once the lock nut is tightened, screw the tailpipe onto the strainer body by hand. The tailpipe connects to the trap adapter. These parts are not included, as they are part of your home's existing plumbing system. Finally, insert the basket strainer into the top of the strainer body.